So let me show you how we tested the underlying assumptions for our business model iPad app. So hypothesis 1 was that people are interested in using an iPad app to sketch out business models, and hypothesis 2 was that buyers would pay approximately $29 to use this app. So all we did was we put up a very simple website, so-called landing page, with a couple of information, very static page. The first piece of information was a screenshot, actually a fake screenshot of the iPad app, which didn't exist at that point. And then on the left-hand side, we described what the app would do. We didn't tell people that it didn't exist yet, that we were working on it. So first point, we said you can sketch out your business model with virtual digital sticky notes. Second thing, we described that you could add ballpark figures, you could add numbers in terms of customer size and revenues to figure out, third point here, if your idea could be profitable and how big your idea could be. And then we asked people to sign up with their email. So basically, if you have 10,000 people coming to such a website and only 20 sign up, well, you know there's not so much interest. In our case, we got a very big proportion of the people who came to this website to sign up. Once they signed up with their email to be notified when the app would be released, we also asked them another question. We asked them, would you pay $100 for this app? So you remember, we actually wanted to charge $29. So why would we ask for $100? Well, it's very simple. This is something I learned from Steve Blank. If you ask for an insanely high price, well, people will say, you're crazy, but I would pay this, this, or this, and they will give you their highest price. So what were the results for us? Well, we got a lot of people to sign up with their email, which we could then use at the launch, but we also got information on pricing. Well, 50% said, you're criminals, you're crazy, that's way too much. 30% said, I'd pay $20, $10, $50, $80. Basically, they gave us their highest price. So we learned quite a bit on pricing there. And very surprisingly, 20% said, $100? Where can I send you the money? Get started. You're actually solving a problem for me. So that was a big surprise. So we learned quite a bit from setting up a simple landing page, which didn't cost us anything, just some time and some design time. And we had substantial information on if this app could work. And it turned out to be a great success. So, do you systematically test your assumptions before you actually start spending money? Try it out. It really works.